Hi, everyone. It's Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group. And today I am doing a local market update for 29588 for February 2024. 29588 is like off of the 707 area, and it actually comes down to Myrtle Beach, like over by west of 17 bypass in there off of Palmetto Point Boulevard. So what I want to share with you first is what happened, in February last month. So this is what happened. I have to make it a little bit bigger so I can see it. Okay, average price in February, 389,666. It went down a little bit from January. Average days on market up just 4. Average price per square foot went down a bit, $3 to 150. Months of supply, that's little. It's a seller's market. 1.7 months of supply. In active listings, we had 63, which is really close to what we had in January. 97 pending sales, very close to January. And then closed sales, we had more than we had in February. So that's good. Always in January after the holidays, things drop a little as far as inventory goes. But I do want to share with you because this is what I'm doing. So those of you who know me and have followed me for a while know that I've been selling real estate for 24 years. And prior to that, I was an appraiser. And I'm also licensed in Florida, but that doesn't matter here because I've been here for 16 years now, selling all over the Grand Strand. But what I bring is I'm here to educate and help all my buyers and all my sellers. I want you to know when is the right time for me to list my house? When is the right time for me to buy a house? And by following me, you'll be able to know that. I'm also on my other social media platforms. It won't be as much on Facebook. If it is, it's going to be really short. Well, it will be. It's just going to be very short, and you're going to have to go to my Facebook page to find it. So these or my website, which is VickiSellsGrandStrand.com. This is going to show you what the interest rate closed at every day and what it began at. So that way you'll have an idea on when to put your house. You need to get if you're thinking about selling, you need to get your house on the market anyways. So if not, you have something to work on because you don't want to wait and then you see the interest rate dips down and you're like, oh my God. So anyways, this is what I wanted to share with you. So last year, look at this, 246 closed sales in December. That's because interest rates dropped. And I just wanted to share with you, look at the rest of the whole year. But this is what you can do. You can go back and always look last year compared in January and February to this year in January and February. And I do this for all of the Grand Strand zip codes as far as Pawleys Island out to Conway, up to Little River, out to Laura. So please give me a call with any questions. I'd love to assist you as a buyer or a seller. Thanks a lot. My number is 843-222-7800. Take care.